Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote, navigate to the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, inside scroll down and go for the general. Here scroll down again until you find network, enter it, and inside you have two different options: wired connection, Ethernet. If you have Ethernet connected, it should give you the internet instantly. If not, then you can resort to Wi-Fi connection. Click on OK to enter it, then make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is enabled like I have right here. Wait a few seconds until it detects all of the Wi-Fi networks available, then select whichever network you want, enter the password, and when you click on enter, it should connect with that Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.